What is up, YouTube? How the you guys doing today? As most of you already know, I love investing and I actually just started investing into an app called Acorn. If you don't know what the Acorn investing app is, it is an app obviously for investing that is 100% automated. You really don't need to know anything, you don't need to do anything besides depositing some money. I'm going to show you guys exactly what the app is. I'm going to go through my profile, show you how I have my account set up, what I have for, recurring payments and all of that. Let's get right into it and let's start making some money. So this is what the first screen looks like when you first log in. As you can see, I have $177.39 invested. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I actually started using this app on Christmas Eve after the market already closed. So my first day of actually using it was December 28th. So if we click on the money that I've invested, we're going to get back more into it. My portfolio, you can do whatever you want with this. I personally, because I have money invested in other platforms such as Robinhood, Webull, I have Roth IRA, and stuff like that. I want to be a little bit more aggressive on this. You can do conservative, which focuses a lot on bonds. You can do moderately conservative, add some stocks in there. It's still a lot of bonds. There's moderate, has a lot of stocks and bonds, pretty much the same thing. Then moderately aggressive, you start to get more stocks. As you can see, you have 47% in large company stocks, some bonds still, and some more stocks. And then for what I'm on is aggressive. It is 100% stocks, large company, medium company, small company, and international company stocks. It's 100% in stocks and no bonds. As I said, you can do whatever you want for this part when you're setting up. You can go conservative if you want, but for me, because I have other money invested in other things, I'm going to take more of a risk on this account because I also want to grow this account as quick as I can, which is kind of the goal for everybody. Obviously, you want to make more money quicker, but I am going to go the more aggressive route for this. This video is just a quick overview of the app. I'm not going to get into huge detail about what stocks these are. Stock ticker, VOO, IJH, IJR. I'm not going to get into that. This is just a quick overview. If you really want to see what those are and learn more about them, then I will make a video. Comment below if you want to see that. But it's really not that important. You don't really need to worry about that or any of this stuff really if you're starting, because as I said, the app does it automatically for you. If you go back to the other screen, so one of the ways you can deposit is by the round up feature. What that means is, say you buy a cup of coffee for $1.50. The app will, you link your card and bank account, all that obviously. So the app will then invest the extra 50 cents. So you bought it for $1.50, it rounds up to $2. So it rounds at 50 cents up and invests it automatically, which is the roundup feature, which is super cool. I don't know of any other apps that do that. That's kind of what made this app really big, was the roundup feature. But another cool thing that they have is you can also set a multiplier to it. So if you want to be a little bit more aggressive and be like, okay, 50 cents, that's not that much, you can set it to double that. So it's $1. If it rounds up 50 cents, and 2x it's $1, 3x is $1.50, you can 10x it, which is a really cool feature that I love. I have mine set to 3x, as you can see. Having the roundup feature on will definitely add up over time without you even realizing it. It's such a cool feature, and I definitely recommend, if you do use Acorns, you have this enabled. As you can see, I have a recurring payment of $50 every week, and it gets deposited on Monday. It gets deposited on Monday, but it kind of goes through. I think like Tuesday or Wednesday is when it actually gets added to the account once it processes. But you can set this up to whatever. As of right now, I have it set to 50. That's the minimum I'm going to do. I could increase it. I'm going to change it. But for right now, I'm going to stick to $50 a week. So, $200 a month just from the recurring payments. You do whatever you're comfortable with. If you can do, $2 a week, that's fine. It will still add up. It's better than doing nothing. This is a huge thing. This app is so cool because it's so easy to do, because you don't need to do anything, and it gets you in that mindset where investing will pay off because of compound interest. And it's such, this is a very good app if you're a beginner, because you can, the roundup feature is a few cents here and there, but it adds up, and then you start to see that build, and then you get that mindset where, wow, like all this money that I just put on the side is making me more money instead of sitting in my bank account doing nothing for me. If I scroll down here, you can see I deposited $100 one-time payment. That was just kind of get the account started. I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep depositing $100 randomly. Maybe I made up, a lot from DoorDash that week or whatever I'm doing, a lot from my other stock account, and I want to transfer some in here. I'll deposit $100, $200, maybe $500 to get the account growing a lot. So as you can see by the title, the plan, the goal by the end of 2021, it is currently January 3rd, so pretty much a full calendar year. By the end of 2021, I want to have $10,000 in this account. That sounds like a lot, and that is a lot. And it might be hard. I might get there. I might not get there. But I'm going to be depositing at least $50 a week, and then also doing one-time deposits randomly, every week or whatever. But the goal is to get $10,000 in this account by the end of 2021. I'm also going to be uploading videos every week, every 2 weeks, every month, whatever you guys want. Whatever, if you comment below how many times you want to see a video on this, updating my account balance. I'm probably going to do 2 weeks. I feel like every week, because it's not going to make me a ton. It's not going to increase a lot every single week. I think that would be too many videos of kind of having similar balance in each. I think 2 weeks or a month could be a good time frame to update you guys on. Comment below on what you would want to see. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see that I'm up 0.82%, which isn't a lot. I know it's not, but I've only had this since December 28th, which is about 3 or 4 days where the stock market was actually open because of all holidays, Christmas, New Year's Day was closed. So I've made 0.82% by doing nothing. So I'm up $1.44. Obviously, the more money I have, the more money I would be up. And with the stock market going back to normal starting tomorrow, this will start to increase a lot. So if I go back to the main page, another really cool thing that they have is something like the Honey extension for Google Chrome. If you know what that is, where kind of you save money for normal purchases. It's kind of like that, not the exact same thing. It's just something that reminds me of it. But if you go through this app and you purchase from big companies, it's not random companies that you wouldn't really use ever. It's got big companies, Groupon, Uber Eats, eBay. There's Walmart, Macy's, Nike, Apple. Big companies. There's over 350 total offers that they have that you can get free money back and automatically deposit it into your Acorns account for nothing, just for free, just by going. If you're gonna go buy something, from Apple, you click there, follow all the instructions, and you get for Apple 1.5% back, which adds up. It doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a free 1.5% that you just got back. Also, if you want another $5 free for free for your Acorns investing app, just to even get started, sign up with the link in the description. I get $5 and you get $5 to get started. It really does help me out and helps the channel out, and will also help you out. So make sure you sign up with the link in the description below. Another really cool thing that they have on the app is a way to grow your knowledge. You have a bunch of articles on here that you can read, just if you want to learn more about investing and retirement, where to spend your money, or how to spend your money, and earnings, and all this stuff, savings. They have some articles on here. It's not crappy articles. There are some good articles on here that I've read a lot of them. They're actually very, very informative. I definitely recommend checking that out if you do download this app, just to learn more. If you want to learn more about the app, if you scroll down to the bottom, if you're wondering where does your money get invested, you can click that. Every dollar you invest in your Acorns Invest or Later account goes into a portfolio of exchange traded funds, or ETFs, with exposure to more than 7,000 stocks and bonds. They include a mix of small and large companies, stocks, and both government and corporate bonds. So it gives you all the information of where your money is actually getting invested. Once again, you don't need to do anything. You really don't need to know this, but obviously if your money is getting invested in somewhere, you might want to know, okay, what are they doing with my money? They also have about the how do roundups work. If you're still confused about that, you can go to click there. Roundups let you automatically invest the change you would get back from any purchase on a linked debit or credit card. For example, if you buy groceries for $25.45, we'll round that up to $26 and bookmark the difference of 55 cents that you invest. So that's another, if you're still confused on how the roundups work, scroll down that, read all, still got some more information on there you can go and read. That pretty much sums up this video. I really hope you guys learned something. As I said, I'm going to make this a series. I want you guys to comment below how often you would want to see a video on me updating my account balance. Right now, $177. By the end of the year, it's going to be hard, and it's definitely not going to be easy to get to $10,000 in this account, but that is the goal. I might, upload every month or whatever. I do want you guys to comment below, because, I like making videos like this. If you guys want to see these every week, I will do. If you guys want to see this every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, whatever, comment below. Also, make sure you guys smash that like button. Also, if you sign up for Webull in the description below, sign up to get 4 free stocks, with 2 of those stocks being valued up to $1,600. And if you sign up for Robinhood with the link in the description, you get another free stock. As always, guys, appreciate you watching the video. Smash that like button. Until next time, guys, peace.